Subscribe and hit the bell icon and never miss another video.
Truth is, there's no personal life. In fact, Karthik and I, we never met. I always say that earlier I was surviving, now I'm living my life. Filmmakers were a little skeptical about शायद cast करना चाहिए, नहीं करना चाहिए. I get a lot of respect.
Hey guys, this is Nawaz Kochra from Team Miss Malini and I am in conversation with the super amazing Mrunal Thakur. Her recent film Dhamaka has been getting great reviews and I must say it is literally a dream to have this interview today with you, Mrunal, because I have been so impressed with the way your journey has been in this industry. So first of all, welcome to Miss Malini. How are you?
Thank you, I'm good. I'm so happy to be doing this in person.
Exactly, this is the first time we are meeting in person.
Yeah.
Otherwise, it's always been on Zoom calls. So yeah, great meeting you first of all.
Thank you.
I want to know from you firstly that in Dhamaka we see you playing a journalist.
Yes.
Okay, was there a reference point that you had while you prepared for the role?
There are a lot of points. I must say that I was pursuing BMM. I wanted to be a journalist, and Batla House also helped me, my previous film, where I was, preparing. I was actually following Faye D'Souza at that point of time, and I remember doing press junkets for Love Sonia, where I met Faye, and I was absolutely impressed. And I had those points in my mind, but this one, Soumya, in Dhamaka is absolutely different because she's on field, she's a reporter.
Right.
So I used to watch like a couple of clips from the past, and Ram sir just said that just make it your own way, though. Just do it the way you want it to.
That is true. That is so true. But were there any truths about the profession that you found out while you prepared yourself for this role?
Truth is, there's no personal life.
That is so true, guys. Please take note of this. I totally agree to what you are saying.
Yeah, and I'm like, no matter what you guys are going through, you have to report. You have to be there on the field, reporting the news, keeping. There should be like a switch on and a switch off button, and lots of courage it takes, man, and immense respect to all the reporters and journalists out there, making sure that they provide us the right news, the correct news, at the cost of their lives. So hats off, you guys.
Also Ram Madhwani comes from a school of cinema which is very hard hitting, like Neerja.
Yes.
It literally blew your mind. Even Dhamaka, for that matter, is a hard hitting story. While it is showing us that the city is under threat with so many bomb blasts, there is also an angle of personal relationship where Karthik is also fighting and making sure that the love of his life is safe. So getting into that aspect, being on a set like that, how is it? Because we were having a conversation with Karthik just a few days back, and he told us that this film has been shot very differently.
Yeah, absolutely. In fact, Karthik and I, we never met.
Wow!
I remember meeting him briefly at the screening of some screening for like 2 minutes or 5 minutes, something like that. That's it. And straight we meet on set. Not even video. The pattern, you are already aware that we had like a different set. We had Zoom sessions, workshops. Like you asked earlier, Soumya, I said, sir, I don't know. Like, this is the first time I'm working on there are green screens behind me, and I don't know what it feels like to be on the bridge. Sorry, no spoiler alerts, but I don't know what it feels like. I don't know. And he's like, there is earpiece. The feed, it was connected to Karthik in the studio. So we were getting this live. It's not like Karthik ka pehle shoot hua aur mera baad mein shoot hua. So we were shooting together.
It was being shot simultaneously.
Yes.
Wow.
So if I couldn't hear him, it's like Arjun ji, mujhe awaaz nahi aa rahi. So it was real. Everything was like real. It was a very different experience, yaar. Like I must say that to work with Ram Madhwani sir, it's like a dream come true. And I did not want to miss the opportunity. I wanted to experience what it feels like to be on a 360-degree set, where also a lot of people don't know, but we shot the film in like 10 to 11 days. I finished it like 7 days. It was the fastest the number of days for the workshop were more as compared to the number of
The
shooting
actual
days.
shooting. Wow.
So it was quite an experience.
Whoa. I must say, your journey has panned out so beautifully, I would say. Seeing you doing such amazing work, and right now also there is so much of an impressive lineup of films that you have. There is Pepa coming up, if I'm not wrong. Then there is Aakh Mein Choli coming up, and there is also a South film.
The South
There is the
film.
Tharam remake happening.
And Jersey. Yeah.
So with so much happening, is Mrunal happy?
I'm very, I always say that earlier I was surviving, now I'm living my life.
Wow,
Yeah.
that is so well said. But Mrunal, I want to know that when somebody is entering the industry, okay, they have their share of struggles.
Yes.
But is there a share of struggle, or is it a different set of struggles when a TV actor is switching from the small screen to the big screen? Does that transition have a struggle?
Yeah, I think everything has a struggle. There's hard work, you have to work hard. There's no escape. Well, for me, the biggest problem was that audience already knew me, and they were like, okay, filmmakers were a little skeptical about शायद cast करना चाहिए नहीं करना चाहिए. So that's why I chose a film which was like absolutely different. So Love Sonia kind of helped me to break that stereotype, and once you have that impression, it's easy. But what actually Nawaz got difficult was to choose roles. It is difficult to get a good script. It is difficult to get a script where there's more of like the screen presence also
Yeah.
I'm talking about. But what I realized is the screen time should not be a problem. What matters is the screen presence and the graph of the character. So I always make sure, first of all, I'm going with the flow. Second, I want to work with my dream directors. And third is, if the character appeals me, I would want to be a part of it, irrespective of what the screen length is.
Also, having said that, once you get that big screen break, the big break, as we might call it, do things change?
Of course, things change. Things change. Like, I don't know, respect. I get a lot of respect, and people tell me, like, whenever they meet me, the one thing that I get, like, people, they say that, Mrunal, you were honest. Your performance was honest. So that makes me feel really good. I mean, apart from the part that people recognize me and all of that, yeah, but when people say that you were really into the character, we felt the warmth, we felt how endearing that character was. So that kind of makes me really happy.
But also, do you sometimes, whenever you sit back and think probably, do you sometimes miss being on television? Because, TV makes you a household name.
Yeah.
Like, I'll give you a very small reference here. So just few days back, I was telling my mother that, Mrunal's film has released, and she couldn't recall the face with the name Mrunal. But when I showed
Bulbul.
your picture to her, she was like, oh, ये तो बुलबुल है कुमकुम भाग्य से. I'm like, okay. So Bulbul की picture आ रही है, and she was like, okay, so TV makes you a household name
Yeah,
that
it
way. So sometimes whenever, you probably sit back, do you miss being on TV?
The best thing is when it comes to promotions, we end up going on TV shows.
Yes.
So in a way, that relationship is always maintained. And yes, of course, I miss the Kumkum Bhagya team. I am extremely close to them. They're like my family. So I just hope that in future, if I'm promoting a film, I get to visit Kumkum Bhagya or
Totally.
Kundali sets.
Wow.
That'll be so amazing.
Now with such an amazing lineup coming up, which can we say is the film you are currently most excited for?
Jersey, I'm really looking forward to because it's very close to my heart. It's one of the most difficult films after Love Sonia. Jersey was really difficult for me because of the emotions it's got, and it was wonderful to work with such fab actors. Shahid, Pankaj sir. They both are so good. Like sometimes you would just stand and perform in front of them, you'd be like, under, I'm shivering. I may look like absolutely alright, but I was literally shivering inside. So, and that film is extremely close to my heart. So I'm really excited.
Wow. Okay, so now guys, we move on to the fun segment of this interview, which is Game Time with Mrunal Thakur.
Okay.
So I have two games planned for you.
Okay.
One is called Tough Choice.
Tough choice.
Okay, where I am going to give you some choices and it has to be very quick. So you have to choose between two things or probably three things, and you just have to make a choice, and then there is a 15-second challenge that we move in.
Okay.
Alright. So here we go.
I'm not going to be in trouble, no.
No, don't worry at all. So first we go ahead with Tough Choice.
Yes.
Okay. So Rajma Chawal or Burrito Bowl?
Rajma chawal any day.
Alright. Day on the beach or chill time by the pool?
Beach.
Okay. Summers or winters?
Summers.
Alright. Western clothes or traditional clothes?
Traditional, anytime.
Any reason?
I think I'm really comfortable when it comes to Indian outfit.
Alright. Favorite co-star so far from Shahid, Ishan, Ritik and Farhan?
Oh, this is scary.
That is a tough choice.
Shahid.
Okay.
Sorry, Shahid.
Your most memorable experience on a film set?
When the race, this was on the sets of Love Sonia, where after the performance, the bracer came to me and he said, "You're my mirror." So that was like the hugest compliment, and I was
Wow.
extremely like overwhelmed.
Okay. One honest feedback you received from a loved one?
That you are gifted, so make sure that you're a talented, gifted actor. Benefit out of it.
Alright. Someone you look up to?
My dad.
Alright. Gulab jamun or red pie chocolate?
Gulab jamun.
Who?
Gulab jamun. I mean, if you would have given gulab jamun or rasmalai, then rasmalai.
Okay. Rasmalai or rasgulla?
No, rasmalai.
Alright.
Period.
Okay. So this was the tough choice segment, guys. Now we move on to the 15-second challenge.
Oh,
So Mrunal, you have exactly 15 seconds and you have to tell me as many sport films as you remember that have been made in Bollywood.
oh my god. Bhag Milkha Bhag.
Okay.
Jersey. Tufan. Mukkebaz. Maricom. Sports film. Oh god. Okay. Boxing, cricket. 83. जो अभी आ रही है. MS Dhoni.
Okay.
Oh god. Chak De India hockey.
Only 2 seconds to go.
Okay.
Time up.
Sultan. Okay.
Time up. All right.
9.
You did great. Those were 9 films.
Yeah,
Wow.
Sultan and Dangal. Okay. Damn. Okay.
Also, there's Rashmi Rocket.
Rashmi Rocket with Just. Yeah.
So that was it for today, guys. I had an amazing time talking to you. Thank you so much, Mrunal.
Thank you.
Totally looking forward to seeing you on the big screen and keep rocking like you are.
Yeah, always. Thank you so much.
Thank
I'm so
you
happy
so
I get
much.
to meet you.
Totally. So that's a wrap, guys. Thank you.